Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the hidden Android privacy button that instantly turns off your camera, microphone and location tracking, and how you can enable and use it to protect your privacy. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing that your Android has a built-in feature which is called privacy dashboard sensor controls that can completely block the applications from using your camera, mic and location in one tap. So in order to turn it on, you just have to first of all open the settings of your Android phone. Now on the settings page, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of security and privacy. So in the security and privacy, you just have to scroll down again. Then in the privacy, you need to look for the option of privacy dashboard. So here, when you tap on the option of privacy dashboard, you just have to simply turn on the options for camera access, for microphone access and the location access. You can also get this option in the privacy controls. So you just have to do it. Now, once it is enabled, you can swipe down your notifications panel to open the quick settings. You will see some of the buttons like camera access, microphone access, and sometimes the sensors off. So when you tap on these off button, no applications can secretly use your camera, mic or GPS even in the background. This means no hidden listening, no silent recording, no tracking while the screen is off. It is basically a privacy kill switch. For extra safety, you can also go to the privacy dashboard option and you can see which applications are recently tried to use your sensors and remove the permissions from any suspicious one. So this feature is built into the modern Android versions, and the best part is that you don't need any applications to use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.